Hi friends, this video shows how to hard reset this OnePlus mobile phone. First we need to power off this mobile phone. For that we can press and hold this power button or press volume up and power button together. So let me try to press and hold this power button. Now we can see the power menu. If you are not able to see this power menu, then you have to press and hold volume up and power button. You will get this same power menu. From here you can see one white circle. This circle we have to move down to power off, then release. So this way we can power off. After this we need to power on this mobile phone. We need to press and hold volume down and power button together. These two buttons we need to press and hold together, volume down and power button. Please don't release it. Now you can see OnePlus logo. At this point you can release power button, but please hold volume down button. Please don't release it. Now you can release volume down button. So here you can see language selection options using volume down. So let me select English, then press power button to select English, and here you can see three options: format data, reboot device, power off. So we have to select this first option, format data, then press this power button to confirm this selection. Then you have to enter this verification code 6589. That way we can trigger format. Here you should be careful because this operation would delete all data from your phone, your photos, videos, contacts, everything. If you are okay with that, you can go ahead and enter this verification code and trigger hard reset. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.